Hello guys, today I will be telling you ripple counter verilog code in Xilinx IDE. Let me define you what ripple counter is. Ripple counter is a special type of asynchronous counter in which the clock pulse ripples through the circuit. N-mode ripple counter forms by combining n number of flip-flops. Basically, it's every other flip-flop beside the first one gets its input from its preceding flop. Okay. Now we'll start the Xilinx IDE. Okay. Now go to new project. Okay. Uh, In your project name, we will be using R counter as the name. Don't use any what we call hashtag or any character over here. We can't even put space over here. This will form an error. Okay, let's select our destination over here. Yeah, don't don't change anything over here. Go to next, finish, then go to source. Go to project, select new source, then we will be using verilog module, right sir? So select verilog, here name of the project, we will be using our sig counter, go to yeah, over here we will be giving q as input with 3 as wait what yeah 3 as msb, and in output we will be giving clock comma reset. That's our output. Go to next, finish. Now this will be our working portion. I have already written a code for myself. I will be copying the code over here. Let me just remove this over here. Yeah, yeah, I have written the code over here now. So everything is written. First we define a T flip-flop where, as I said before, the first flip-flop gets clock and reset, and every other the second flip-flop gets its first clock from the preceding flip-flop. Then the second flip-flop gets its clock from the preceding flip-flop, that is Q1, and then the Q3 flip-flop gets its clock from the preceding flip-flop, that is Q2. Okay, we don't need to define not, it's already defined. But we have to define D flip-flop, that is we will be naming it as DFF0, and always positive edge reset and negative edge clock. It will be giving reset to whenever there is a positive edge, and negative edge it will be giving clock sign. Okay, let's now stimulate it over here. Yeah, go into that. Yeah, behavior check. Yes. Okay, give it a second. Yeah, it has completely completed successfully. Now go to again, let's select this one first. Yeah, go to, and we will be stimulating the model. Simulate. It's taking its own time. It's done. Here. Okay, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, yeah, oh yeah, see, look, we can add a marker over here. It says at 15 it gives a negative edge, that's it. and another marker over here, add marker over here. Look, as, and you can also check the output over here in console. At out, it counts from 0 to all the way to 15. Yeah, it all counts all the way to 15, then gets reset, and then starts counting again at 195. It gets reset and starts counting it over here.